So hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel once again. Today we are going to build a login page for our social media mobile application. So we will take a little bit of help from our create account page. We will duplicate the create account page and will modify it according to our login requirements. The create account action is not needed. We will use the login action from the Google authentication systems, and that's all. Now if the user logs in, then he or she will be navigated to the home page. Now if the user has not logged in and want to go to the create account page, then in that case we have to build a new button so the user can click on and move to the create account page. So for create account page navigation, we are creating a container, and in this container we will add a text and will modify the container so it looks better with our social media apps main color code. We are using border radius, modifying the border radius for better UI design, and we will place it at a place in the page so it looks better. Now if the user already don't have an account, then the user can go to the create account page and can create a new account. We will set up the rows alignment. Main axis alignment will be in the middle so it looks better. So now we will also do the same for the login page. If we will copy the row and we'll paste it in the create account page. If the landing page is a create account page, then if the user already has an account, then make sure the user can go to the move to the login page for log in with login credentials like email and password. We will also make a video after this video in this social media series that how to create a Google authentication page where user can directly log in or create an account for your social media account creation directly by clicking on by using their emails. Now unclick the create account button. The user should navigate to the login page. The create account page. That was a little bit of mistake. And now we are done with our create account and login page completely. By using email and password, user can create an account or log in with their ready-made credentials like email and password. So that's it everyone. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned with our social media series. In the next video we will show you how to publish our mobile application, and you can also check out our live mobile application that we will publish. Thanks for watching.